Friends, welcome back to my channel. In last videos, video number 849, we opened this ECU module for Peugeot, and in video number 853 I dismantled this connection board. It is 4-layer PCB with these insulators and different metallic connectors. I removed these 5 relays. 2 of them are one type, these 2 are the other type, and this one small relay, it has some other pin out. So we will test this relay. Its part number is V23076-A3001-C132. It is from Tyco, Portugal. If we see the product catalog for this Tyco relay, it is automotive relay. It is high continuous current and wide operating range voltage. It is used in lamp circuits, seat adjustment motors, window defroggers, and starter solenoid switches. It is in car industry, truck industry, and other industries. Here is its pin out assignment: 1, 2, 3. These 3 pins are numbered as a pin number 4. In this pin out, we have just one pin here, pin number 5, and if we have another pin, that will pin number 3. 2 pins, 1 and 2. Here pin 3 not installed. 3 pins for number 4 marking, and this is pin number 5. First we will see its part number. Because this is a family, we want to see the part number A2306, A3001, C132. This is part number. So it is 12 volt PCB relay. Here is its ordering code. Then contact arrangement. How the pin out? It is form A. What is form A? We will see here. This is form A. When this relay will energize, it will make contact between pin number 4 to 5. If we have contact arrangement form C, at that time pin 4 will remain normally closed with pin 3. When relay will energize, that will connect to pin number 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 pins are connected together. Just only this pin is output switch pin. Here is the tabulated data. If form A, at that time pin 4 will match with pin number 5. Here is form C. Normally 4 will remain closed with pin number 3. When the relay will turn on, it will make connection with pin number 5. Rated voltage 12 volts and contact current, it is 30 ampere, and it is sealed, hermetically sealed. Let's test it. We will apply 12 volt here, and here is pin number 4, and here is pin number 5. When we will apply voltage to pin number 1 and 2, at that time it will make connection between pin number 4 to 5. For 12 volt relay, the coil is 12 volt and coil resistance is 90 ohms, and must operating voltage minimum 6.9 volt and above. Maximum voltage 20 volt can be applied at 23 degree. When the temperature is 85 degree centigrade, maximum 15.5 volt can be applied to the relay winding. Let's test the resistance of the coil. 89.5. So it is 90 ohms, that means it's good. Check continuity between these pins. These 3 pins are connected together. If we have pin number 3 here, that is not available in this model because it is form A. If we have form C, at that time this pin, that will pin number 3, will make continuity with that one. But now pin number 5 must be open. This is pin number 5 and these are 4 number pins. Now to test this relay, we need a 12 volt source, and it is best way to test under load. This is pin number 5 and here is pin number 4. We can connect to any pin. If you don't have a good practical experience, never try to use this. You can use any DC lamp. I will provide 12 volt to coil 1 end. Now I connected lamp between pin number 4 and 5, and I applied positive voltage to pin number 1 and ground to pin number 2. When we apply voltage to coil, it will make connections. In some conditions the coil is open circuit. At that time the relay will not work. And in some conditions the relay operates, it makes a tick sound, click sound, but it will not close the circuit. At that time the contacts are damaged. Sometimes pin number 4 is directly short circuit with pin number 5 in the relay. At that time the points are melted together. If the relay works like this, under load it works good, the relay is good. We can also test this relay using continuity. I will set multimeter to continuity and I will connect to pin number 4 and 5, the connection pins, and I will apply positive voltage to pin 1 and ground to this is pin 1. Pin 1 and 2. Pin 1 is closer to pin number 5, that is here. This is pin number 5. I will apply return line of 12 volt to ground. It is giving continuity. And if we check resistance of this contact, it must be 0. If we have some resistance, that time the contact is not good. It will make sparking. If this video is informative for you, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.